need you right now. Bitch, take me like how can speak so gosh on my plate.
Hi guys, welcome back to my home cooking series. How are you doing? I hope you are all doing just fine. My name is Rashida and I am doing great as well. And if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. Thank you for joining me. And today I have something very delicious, and that is beans mixed with minced meat. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. Let's get into the video. So you're going to start off with a heated pan and you're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil, because beans need a lot of oil. They do not have any oils in them, so you have to, put some grease. And when that oil is heated, you're going to add your onions. You can use 2 chopped onions. So you're going to add that, and then you're going to stir that until the onions are a little bit browned, not burnt, but just browned. So now that our onions are cooked, you can smell all that flavor coming from the onions. We are going to go in and add our minced meat. Add that, make sure you break it down so that it's not chunked up. So make sure you break it down and then you give it a good stir until everything is really well cooked. So as you can see, I was trying to break it down so that I do not have chunks of minced meat. So you want to break it down as much as possible and make sure you cook the minced meat so that it's really ready, because you're going to add beans and the white beans that we're going to add are already cooked. So you have to make sure the meat is well cooked, and when you add the beans, you just have to take a few minutes. You just have to take a few minutes and that's it. Now that our minced meat is almost ready, we're going to add some chopped garlic to give it more flavor, and it also improves the taste. Basically, garlic is really good at improving taste and flavor. So you want to add that, and then you want to give it a good stir as well until everything mixes together. Remember, we're still cooking that minced meat. And we're going to also add seasoning, also to improve the flavor at the end of the day. We're going to start with half teaspoon of white pepper and add a half teaspoon of garlic pepper mix. Then you want to add half a teaspoon of paprika powder, and lastly half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we are going to stir everything together to make sure all the seasoning mixes good with all this minced meat. So right now you want to add your red pepper paste. So how you make this red pepper paste is just getting the red peppers, put them in a blender, blend them to a paste, and that's it. So you want to add that, stir, give it a very nice stir, make sure everything mixes well. And the amount of minced meat that you use depends on your preference. I personally don't like beans that much, so I use more minced meat than the beans, but if you love beans, then you can use less minced meat and more beans. So now that you can see that everything is mixed evenly, and we are also getting that juice from the pepper paste, So you want to go on and add in your tomato paste, and you make it the same way. Tomatoes in a blender, beat them to a paste. That's it. So you want to add that as well and mix again until everything is very, very even. So right now I went on and added 1 teaspoon of salt. As you can see, mixed it well, and then I realized maybe I need more, so I added another teaspoon of salt. So that makes it 1 tablespoon of salt. And we do what we always do, and that is stir, 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 and stir until everything is mixed evenly. So now it's time to add our white beans. Ooh, look at this. They look so nice. They really, really look so nice. So these are already cooked. So you can buy the ones that are already cooked, or you can buy the ones that are not and cook them at home. It really does not make a difference. To me, it doesn't. So you just add your beans, cooked beans, and then stir everything together. Just like I said, if you love beans more, you add more beans than the minced meat. Personally, beans give me a heartburn, so I use very, very less of that and more of the minced meat. So then I added some water because it was too thick, but then I really just rinsed my tomato paste container with 200 ml of water, and then just added that, just to make sure I do not waste my tomato paste. Okay. Right now we're going to give it a few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes for everything to cook even. So we're going to cover that and then come right back. And yeah, as you can see, everything is cooked. That was really fast, right? Yeah, but everything is cooked and your beans and minced meat is very ready to serve. And if you have someone who doesn't like beans, just like me, you can mix them up with some minced meat, with some chicken, with vegetables, with greens, with different things, so that you motivate them to eat the beans, because beans are very nutritious. We need them in our daily lives. And you can really eat beans with anything, like anything from rice to cassava to matoke to potatoes, anything. Beans can go with anything. You can use them as stuffing, you can eat them like generally with everything. So that's how they look. They look so delicious, and that's exactly how they taste, guys. So go ahead and make this at home and let me know in the comments how you like them, and tag me on my Instagram as well. All the information will be in the description box below, guys. Please don't forget to like the video, share it with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah.
Wanna get you right now. It's take me like bomb. Heart gon' speak so God splash on my